Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what to do if the knitting comes off the machine. So let's get to it. To pass an unthreaded or improperly threaded carriage over live stitches, it will cause the knitting to come off the needle bed. Once you've picked up your knitting off the floor, remove the claw weights so it is a little easier to handle. As you can see, the top row is partially unraveled, so before hanging the stitches back on the needles, we're going to unravel it to the end so it is even. With your transfer tool, we're going to hang back the stitches on the needles. However, if you're using a yarn that unravels easily and you're having difficulty picking up the stitches on the top row, you can always pick up the stitches on the row below. When you reach the stitches that have not been unraveled, you will have 2 stitches on your transfer tool. Before unraveling, place back the claw weight on your knitting. Take the yarn and slightly pull on it, and it will unravel the stitches. Because the carriage is on the opposite side of the yarn, we're going to unravel one more row. Before threading your carriage, pull back on the yarn underneath the rear yarn guide until we have a nice even tension. Before resuming your knitting, set your row counter back to the amount of rows that you have unraveled. As you can see, there is no need to panic if the knitting comes off the machine. And if you would like to see additional knitting tips, you can click on the red button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you to my channel where you can review my knitting tips playlist. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.